What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, if this is your first time to the channel, man, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We got a few cars today. Last auction of the year here at this particular auction, so you guys already know how we're going to get it done, so let's get right into it, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we're not going to be spending too much time here today at the auction. We're really going to look at the best cars they have, but I'll give you guys a quick walk around. We got a 08 Dodge Caliber here, 202,000 miles on the dash here. Got some tequila kickage over here and a taped up mirror. Nothing we want. The mileage is pretty high to on the resale too. 60. We got a 2000 Grand Prix. Is this the supercharged version? Okay, boom. This is the GTP supercharged version of this car. So this may be something to bid on too. Get this bumper painted back red, get matching wheels on it. This will be a nice little GTP. 111,000 miles. Let's see, nice black leather interior. Pretty decent car. Judging it runs good, nice. The interior is all intact and everything too. So that's pretty cool. In LA, we usually sit these GTPs on 24-inch rims. You know, we usually sit them on 24-inch rims, and this is already the supercharged version. So this is exactly what they want where I'm from. Let's check under this hood, and you guys see there's the supercharger. So this is a pretty good buy right here. Judging it sells for cheap. We'll buy it. It says no key, but they might have a key for it, so we'll see what happens. Moving along here, guys, we got a 97 Buick Lesabre. This is a pretty clean Buick here, if you ask me. Pretty clean, 142,000 miles on the dash, guys. Really good looking Lesabre. Let's check out this inside. Oh yeah, this was definitely a older person's car. They got the little beads right here. Oh wow, somebody died in here. Wow, that's a lot. That's all blood and stuff. Yeah, somebody died in that. I'm cool. That's a first. Never seen that before. You got blood all on the back seat. Wow. See, yeah, guys, so it's pretty tricky. You really don't want to. That kind of just threw me all the way off. I'm actually kind of cool now, man. That's crazy. Gotta wash my hands ASAP. Next up, guys, we got a 2013 Nissan Versa here. Looks like 123,000 miles on the dash. You guys know, for the most part, Nissans are pretty fair, pretty legit cars. Got a bullet hole in here. Wow, guys, we got blood in the cars. We got bullet holes today, man. Did they get shot at in this one? Don't look like they got shot inside the car in this one, guys, but we do have a bullet hole in there. I'm kind of gonna be easy when I'm opening these doors now, for sure. Huge bullet hole in there. Not really my thing, but the car, I'm sure itself will go for cheap. You'll be able to man, guys, that threw me all the way off. I'm sorry. Everything in this Nissan looks cool. We'll keep it moving here. Alrighty, guys, we got a couple of bikes here. This first one here, we got a Honda VTX 1300 here, and this one actually is a 2007, and then this one is a 2016 Jiangsu motorcycle. So this is a Chinese brand motorcycle. Not really the best thing to get, but you know, if you just want a bike and just want to get around on two wheels, these will be something to bid on. And we're just moving along here, guys. We got an 05 Mustang here. Not really a Mustang guy. 142,000 miles. Seems pretty legit, pretty fair. We got a 07 Infiniti M35, guys. This is a salvage title. 183,000 miles on the dash. It is salvage and the mileage is pretty high, but I'll just give you a quick little run through to see how beat it is. The seats are like a nice brown leather, but if you clean them up, I'm sure they'll be looking greater than they are now. Yeah, it's salvage, and the mileage is like super high. So moving along here, man. Oh, we got another Infiniti. This one actually is a 03 Infiniti G35 here, 159,000 miles, guys. It is the coupe, seems pretty fair. I don't know if it's the manual nope, it's actually the auto transmission, but it does have some nice black leather interior, which is cool. Seems pretty fair. You're missing a little trim piece up there for the little clock. Everything in the back seems pretty fair. 159K on the dash. Yeah, this might have been somebody's drift mobile. Definitely got some tequila kickage up here. I mean, this thing can easily be fixed. 159,000 miles. This is, I believe, the first model of these Infinitis. The first year of these models. Of course, we don't have any antifreeze in there. Oh yeah, we do. Got a little bit of antifreeze in there. Got a cold air intake. So this may be something to bid on too. If we want to put a little bit of work into it, that'd be something cool. What y'all think about it? All right, we got a 06 Chevy Cobalt here, 209,000 miles on the dash, guys. Not really interested. We got a 04 Honda, it doesn't say the mileage. Does not say the mileage. Just peep under the hood really quick. Just see if it's worth looking at. Oh yeah, this is the hybrid model. The hybrid, I had a hybrid. It was pretty fair. I got it from Copart. It's pretty decent. Had high mileage, but it ran pretty fair. This one, I guess seems pretty legit if you want to clean it up. If you want to clean it up, get it all nice and, oh yeah, we got Bondo in the back. I'm cool. Got Bondo in the back and on this side. Wow, I didn't even peep this. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna pass. Another Honda. That one's a 92, 281,000 miles. We got a Nissan Sentra here, 94, 218,000 miles. We got a Nissan Maxima here, 97, 114,000 miles. Ford Taurus, 164,000 miles, 06. Got a cool little Honda, I guess. 06, 184,000 miles. Honda Civic Coupe. Check this one out. Let's check out the outside first before we even put our effort into it. This bumper's pretty damaged. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Inside on this one looks pretty good. Missing not missing, but the little trimming piece on the back is off. Seems pretty fair back here. Seats and everything look pretty good. Interface and everything up here seems legit. So this one may be something to bid on too. Got a little tequila kick there in the corner. Nothing crazy. We do got the sunroof, so that's fair. A little tape holding up the bumper. And the motor seems pretty fair too, so 184,000 miles in a Honda. I think you got a lot to go. So this may be something to bid on here today. Alrighty guys, moving along here. We done seen so many 06 Nissan Altimas with parking stickers on. We know they don't run. 03, what is this, like a Passat? 152,000 miles. Yeah, we're good on the on most of these cars here today. But I'll just show you guys. Just give you guys a quick walkthrough. Yep. You actually might got a authentic Impala here. The last one we seen here was not authentic. And I seen them trying to sell that online, which was funny. Oh yeah, see, this one is a Caprice as well. It's not the Impala. Definitely the Caprice. Let's check out the inside. Well, you got the red rag up there. Got the SS seats. Trail B Impala SS. Oh no. Maybe a real one, who knows? This thing is whooped though. What y'all think about the Impala, man? Let me know in the comments below. Keeping it moving and grooving here. Moving and grooving. Yeah, they don't really got too many cars, and that that Buick Lesabre really just threw me off earlier. So, oh, that one seemed fair. But more than most, we'll see, guys. We'll see how it works out. Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, we got a 2008 Buick. Wow. You guys see how it's stuck in my head right now? We got a 2008 Subaru Outback, man. 153,000 miles on the clock here. Parking violation. Pretty clean on the outside. Inside does look pretty good. Decent seats. The back does look pretty good. I don't see anything that really stands out other than it being dirty, and it's in the neutral position, so it might not run here, guys. It might not run, but it does look pretty legit. Couple more whips. Yeah, I'm low-key ready to go today, guys. So if the video seemed kind of short, hey man, next time we'll get a fresh start. But yeah, they got a little Rover here. That thing whooped though, I can tell. It's pretty whooped, man. Let's see. Yeah, this thing. Super whooped. Anyhow, we out of here, man. They got a trailer home with a bunch of stuff up in there. Got a bunch of like clothes and everything in there, man. Yeah, if this y'all first time tuning into the channel, man, I'm sorry, man. It's never usually like that. Yeah, that that seat just threw me all the way off, man. So, but yeah, tune in next time and you'll really see what it's like. Alrighty, guys, so these are cars that absolutely don't run at all. Got a nice Lt1 Corvette here. Wow. It's the only Corvette I've seen at the auction before. Pretty cool little whips. Got a Buick Ribby back there. Wow. Seems pretty fair. Couple cars. Buick Riviera, bad motor, of course. So, alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. That Buick Lesabre kind of threw me off, man. So, as always, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for what these cars sold for, be sure to check back tomorrow, as that video will be up first thing in the morning. Till then, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.